the moment Jesus resurrected from the dead, we who are dead because of sickness, dead because of problem, dead because of sin, can also be resurrected in the power of Jesus. Second glorious mystery, Jesus ascended into heaven. We remember dear departed loved ones that they too will ascend to heaven to be with the Father for eternity. Third glorious mystery, descent of the Holy Spirit. When you are afraid because of sickness, problems, and difficulties, the Holy Spirit will descend upon you.
Imong maayo sa imong pagmahal.